Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisette, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you could get notified every time I upload a new DIY video. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create cabochon charms, and I made this with these digital files I had on hand. Now I wanted the charms to be small and mini, so I chose a 16mm charm with a cabochon, also 16mm. They have to match in size. I purchased these through AliExpress. I decided to use the digitals I had on hand, so I have a Snow and Cocoa collection. The only key is sizing it to about 1/2 inch, since that's how much 16mm is. Now I use a design program, so you could probably also use your design program on hand. Also, you could use mini stickers that would just fit the size of the cabochon. In this step, I'm using Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. Now this is iridescent because I want those charms to glisten, and they really do. Honestly, the video does no justice how cute they look in person. A little bit of Mod Podge goes a long way, so all you need is to just put one small drop in the center and then put your glass cabochon over and just gently press down. The glue itself or the dimensional magic will just spread out onto the glass. Once it's dry, you can turn it over. In this step, I'm adding Mod Podge to the back of the image because I want it to be completely sealed. I'm using a brush and just a little bit of Mod Podge. And now I'm ready to glue my glass cabochon onto that frame charm. It is super easy now because all you need is glue, but I'm using super tight all-purpose universal glue. This glue has a very strong bond and is safe and non-toxic. You could also purchase your own super tight by using my coupon code below. Now that is an affiliate link. I absolutely love the way these charms came out. They are adorable and tiny, and they glisten. That iridescent dimensional magic really did magic to these charms. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you too. Please give this video a big like and comment below. Tell me what you think. It's viewers like you that keep this channel going. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And until next DIY, God bless. Bye bye.